We're arriving at the real estate club here in Iman Center. Check out, we've got the Cashflow game here. Oops, it's upside down. You can't see that. Here, how's that? Yes. So we're just unpacking and getting the room ready to set up. So come join us at the real estate club meeting. Talk soon. Make a comment, like this, share it, and subscribe. Hey, here comes Amy. Here comes Amy. What are you doing here, Amy?
Getting ready for our cash flow game.
Oh,
Learn
yes.
about real estate investing in a safe, fun, and I guess interactive way. And then we have our little table I'm setting up.
Yeah, setting up for the table. All right, talk soon. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye now. Come join us. Cashflow game.